Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your video files and any external audio into Premiere Rush, then enable waveform view so you can see spikes. First, make sure your camera audio and reference audio are on distinct tracks and aligned roughly at a matching clap or transient. Once done, trim leading silence so the transient lines up visually. This speeds manual syncing. Make sure clips share the same frame rate. Mismatched rates will drift later. So confirm settings before you now zoom in tightly to match the waveform peaks. Aim for 1 to 2 frame precision. You should nudge the external audio left or right using the keyboard or drag tool until the transient peaks overlap with camera audio. Once aligned, mute the camera track to hear the external mic and check for phase or latency. If you hear combing, shift by a frame. Make sure to trim tails so clips start and end cleanly, and ripple edit any gaps caused by shifting. Finish by disabling or lowering the camera mic and raising the synced external track using clip gain so levels match across shots. Apply a short crossfade between overlapping audio takes to mask tiny timing errors and add a high-pass filter to remove low-frequency rumble. Once exported, review the test clip on headphones. If audio drifts over time, check sample rate mismatches and convert audio to the project sample rate, or re-record a sync reference next time to prevent drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.